So here's the Flexi desk finally put together. So this is the highest I have it set at, and I'm just gonna, I got the memory on. And this one sits at 28.9. I don't know if that's inches, but I'm guessing that's what it is. So when you're sitting down, if you're 5'5" like me or around there, it's gonna be a little higher than normal. Let me see. Let me measure what the other one is. Actually, I just measured the other one is 28 3/4. This one just a tiny bit lower. So they're about the same. I guess I thought it was lower, but there you have it. One quick note. This is the 40 inches wide, or almost 40 inches wide. It's a very small one. It's just a couple inches wider than the one I had before, because there's not a lot of space. But this Cooler Master actually takes quite a bit of the desk. But that's the reason I didn't get the one with the other shelf, or yeah, the shelf one here, because this wouldn't sit right on it, and it would have been too small anyway. And another thing I want to point out, this is my old keyboard holder, but on this one there's not a lot of room over here to put one on, so it's gonna be pretty not as wide. Let me double check. Alright, got my measuring tape. So here we go. From the center metal piece is about 9.5 almost, or 1, 2, 3/16, if you will, or 40 millimeters about. So that's all I have there. Let me see how this would fit on there, if at all. Come on, get in here. Sorry, I'm doing this one-handed. Gotta be careful from the back, because you have the other piece turning over there. So I suppose I could, nope, that's not gonna work. It's gonna be here. One keeps going back. So it might be doable, but that's gonna be a tough one. So there you have it.